it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are a wine lover, this is going to be your new favorite accessory.
Itslife has made this perfect two-in-one wine chiller and tumbler. So it comes with two different kinds of lids, one that will help keep any wine bottle inside, and also a lid so you can use this as a regular tumbler as well. This thing is absolutely perfect. It keeps your wine chilled for up to 6 hours. And look how strong this is. A full bottle of wine held upside down, it's not going anywhere. It was the perfect thing for an anniversary party I just threw for my parents, keeping our champagne chilled but easily poured with this tumbler handle. It is the absolute perfect thing if you want to enjoy your wine at the right temperature and have it at your disposal quick and easy.
This is the perfect gift for a wine lover in your life, especially if that's you. And that's my point of view.